a unique adventure, a new cultural experience, all the way to here at Sobaeksan Nature Center. Here in Yeongju, our nature center provides various eco-tour programs and recreational facilities, including scenic terraces, massage chairs, and game machines. The center is open to everyone, and if you love speaking English, you're welcome to join our brand new eco-tour program, the Sobaeksan National Park Global Friends Program, GFP. On day 1, you go hiking to Sobaeksan with park rangers. You'll walk along its ridges from one peak to another while enjoying some fun adventures and splendid scenery on your way. On day 2, you'll meet both global and traditional Yeongju. First in the morning, you have a ginseng cooking class. Here, you use no ordinary ginseng, but the world-famous pungi ginseng, which is a local specialty of the city. Next, you visit one of the 2 UNESCO World Heritages in Yeongju. In this video, they visited the Sosuseowon Confucian Academy. And you may visit the local pungi ginseng store as a final destination. Woohoo!
This whole trip has been so much fun. Got to see like the beautiful scenery of Sobaeksan.
It was so much fun with ginseng cooking class, and also I enjoyed the hiking, and we had a really wonderful experience in the Sobaeksan and also in this nature center.
As a foreign teacher, sometimes it's hard to meet other Koreans and it's hard to get out of the city. To have a program where you can meet other Korean people and other international people and then also get to do this wonderful cultural experience and stay in this beautiful nature center has been such a wonderful experience, and I can't recommend it more.
So, if this video excites your curiosity, please come join us at Sobaeksan Nature Center and be our next global friend. See you!